Hey guys, hope you're doing well. In my previous video, I told you about the IEC work permit, which is the International Experience Canada, through which applicants can get employer-specific work permits. It costs just $156. You don't need an IELTS test, you don't need an LMIA, you can apply from almost anywhere in the world, no matter if you're working in a skilled position or an unskilled position. For 2 out of the 3 streams, you don't even need a job offer, and your spouse or partner can get an open work permit, allowing them to work in Canada for any employer of their choice. If you haven't watched the video already, I recommend that you do, as it's a great way to enter Canada really quickly right now. And since you guys asked for more such programs, this week I'm going to tell you about the Global Talent Stream or GTS, through which you'll get an employer-specific work permit, for which you also don't need an IELTS test, which is the biggest benefit for most applicants. The processing time is just 2 weeks, making it the fastest immigration pathway for eligible workers who are seeking a new life in Canada. Another thing is, as opposed to LMIA or Labour Market Impact Assessment, which requires the employer to prove that they have made efforts to hire someone locally, for the GTS, your employer will just need a Labour Market Benefits Plan, which has a simple application process, requires lesser documents, and it's processed in just 10 days. The entire application process and application fee payment as well is handled by your employer, so you don't have to worry about anything. After getting your work permit and entering Canada, you can apply for your PR or permanent residence after just 1 year under the CEC class of the Express Entry program. Moreover, even your spouse or common law partner can get an open work permit, which will allow them to work for any employer in Canada under any job position offered to them. In this video, I'm going to tell you everything about the Global Talent Stream, the targeted occupations list for it, the benefits of the stream, the visa cost and processing time, the requirements, job sites and portals to get a job offer from your home country, who can apply for it, and how to apply for it as well. So do watch the video till the end. Hey guys, this is Jason from Dream Canada. If you're new to the channel, I show people how to save their money and emigrate to new countries through my videos without the help of any immigration consultants or agents or lawyers. You can find all the process instructions for you to apply on your own through this channel. Subscribe now because all the information provided here is completely free, and I answer all your queries in the comment section and on my social handles on Instagram and Twitter, so don't forget to follow us there as well. You can even get in touch with us directly via WhatsApp on the number shared on the screen. Let's start with exact details on the Global Talent Stream and its benefits. The Global Talent Stream is part of the Temporary Foreign Worker Program, which provides candidates with employer-specific work permits so that they can fly to Canada with their families and begin working in Canada right away. The GTS was mainly introduced to help Canadian employers in hiring foreign workers with specialized knowledge and experience for job positions which they can't fulfill locally. For getting a GTS work permit, you don't need an IELTS test, which is a huge benefit for many potential immigrants, and you can apply from anywhere in the world for it. Another great thing is that spouses and partners of these work permit applicants bound for Canada may obtain an open work permit, allowing them to work in Canada for any employer, and they can even switch jobs if they wish to do so. The visa processing fee is 1,000 Canadian dollars, but the best part is that your employer has to pay the entire fee, so it won't cost you anything. The processing time is really quick at just 2 weeks, so that's great too. Your work permit will be valid for up to 3 years, and any temporary permit that your family members apply for at the same time will also be valid for the same duration. Canadian employers benefit from this stream because the application is not as complex as a normal LMIA application. There's lesser documentation involved, and since it has such a quick processing time, they don't have to wait for a long time for their employees to fly to Canada and begin working for them. Now coming to the targeted occupations for the Global Talent Stream. The targeted occupations are divided into 2 categories. Category A is reserved for candidates working in skilled occupations belonging to NOCs 0 or A. If you don't know which NOC code you fall under, you can find this from the Find Your NOC tool on the IRCC website, where you'll just have to enter in your job title and you'll get the NOC type and code that pertains to your work experience. Your employer must be referred by one of the stream's designated referral partners, who basically vouch for the employer's legitimacy and eligibility for Category A. This is the list of designated referral partners as of December 2021. Applications to Category A can't be processed until ESDC which is the Employment and Social Development Canada, has confirmed that the designated referral partner has submitted a referral vouching for the employer's legitimacy and eligibility for Category A of the stream. For Category B, tech positions like computer and IT managers, engineers, database analysts, programmers, software designers, computer technicians, production and creative project managers, digital media professionals, among others, are targeted occupations. The minimum wages required are also mentioned for each NOC code. Now coming to the requirements for this stream. The requirements are quite simple and straightforward actually. Since you'll be getting an employer-specific work permit, you'll need to have a job offer from an employer in Canada. And for Category A, the requirements are that your employer must be referred by one of the stream's designated referral partners, which I shared before, and they must offer you a base salary of at least 80,000 Canadian dollars per year. You must possess a unique and specialized talent to qualify for a Canada work permit, which could include advanced knowledge or experience in the position that you're being employed in. You must also either have an advanced degree in an area of specialization of interest to the employer or a minimum of 5 years of work experience in the required field. For Category B, you must just have experience in any one of the targeted tech occupations and be offered the specified wages as on the IRCC website. Now, which job sites and portals can you use to find job offers for this stream from your home country? The best ways are through your references in Canada, professional networking sites like LinkedIn. Other job sites like Monster and Indeed are also great in finding relevant positions, along with the Job Bank webpage on the IRCC website, which regularly posts genuine vacant positions which you can apply to from anywhere in the world. I've made a detailed video on how you can go about finding a job in Canada from your home country and getting interviews, some important tips to follow, as well as the Canada CV format you can use. I'll add a link to this video in the description box below to have a look at it. Now, how can you apply for this stream? The entire application process and processing fee is handled by your employer, so you don't have to worry about anything. They have to simply apply online through a valid Job Bank account, after which their labor market benefits plan and the job offer that they are providing will be reviewed. The official processing time is 15 days, but most of the applications are reviewed within 10 days. If the application is approved, a work permit will be created for the foreign worker, which is you, and you'll be able to fly to Canada right away and begin working for your Canadian employer. Your spouse, of course, will receive an open work permit as well, so they'll be able to search for a job even after landing in Canada, and they can work for any employer of their choice for any job position that they choose. Alright guys, so that was all about the GTS work visa. For more immigration and travel tips, subscribe to this channel now. Do like this video if you like the content and comment what topic you would like to hear about next. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe for regular updates on immigration and don't forget to follow us on Instagram as well. I wish you the best of luck for your application and hope you have a great day.